Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $5 just by tapping your screen. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a magic number is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that number, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it, family. Okay, family, I'm at this website, and the name of this website is Paydera. So on Paydera, you're going to turn your time into money. So working online has become easy without any previous experience using all-in-one solution provided by Paydera to get paid doing multiple tasks without leaving your home. No country redirection, instant payment requests, both mobile and desktop users accepted. And you just click here to create an account. So let's read a little bit more. So it says here, why we are the best. Unlimited tasks. We are providing unlimited tasks to complete every day. Inviting friends. We are paying you to invite your friends to join us. Make money from your social circle. And instant payments. Reach the minimum payout threshold and request your instant payment easily, 24/7 available. Now, what we offer. So, sign up tasks, complete surveys, upload videos, invite friends, write about us, and as you can see here, this is how many members it is, 930K plus members. And this is how many tasks have been completed, over 7 million. Now, why choose us? Complete tasks that are easy for you, complete surveys about your preferred field, take unlimited quizzes whenever you want, invite your friends and family, avoid working in multiple sites, and get your revenue split and hard to withdraw. And as you can see, this is how the earnings is going to look when you have your account. Now, I want to show you some proof, guys, so you know this is a legit website. Okay, guys, here's the payment proof and reviews. See, I even got a video here you can watch. And as you can see, this person right here got $35. And this person got $30. This person right here got $32.60. So they're receiving payments, guys. And here's the proof right here. Now, I'm going to go to the frequently asked questions right quick. So how do you make money? So sign up with Paydera by clicking here and discover your user dashboard to make your first revenue doing multiple tasks. And here are some of the tasks like paid quizzes, multiple task channels, writing posts, promoting videos, referring friends, and more. Now here's a big question you guys always ask. Is my country accepted? All countries are accepted and can work on our platform, and you have access to everything within Paydear. No country restriction. Now let's just look at one more thing, which is very, very important. I know you guys want to know this, which is how you're going to get paid. So what is this supported payment method? We provide PayPal payments, so you need to have PayPal, guys. And how much time does it take to receive my payment after performing a payment request? It usually takes up to 15 days. Now, guys, don't get discouraged about that. Sometimes it's usually shorter. They just say 15 days to be on the safe side, because sometimes sending out the payment can, take a little time. So you're probably going to get it quicker than that, guys. So don't get discouraged. And I forgot to tell you one other thing, how much you're going to get paid for every task. So you're going to be getting paid up to 50 cents for each task. Now I know that's not much. The task that you're going to do is not going to take that long to do. You'll be finished real quick with one task. You can go to the next one, go to the next one, and so on. Within an hour, you can have $10, $20. So that's it, guys. That's all I'm going to say about this website. It's a very good website, been around for a while. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making some money from this website, go to paydear.com, sign up, and get started. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 30 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. Really appreciate it. Road to 8,000. Let's go. Let's get it. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.